Do you know that aging is inevitable? It's the only thing that we all have in common. As you get older, your skin begins to sag due to loss of elasticity. Your bones begin to weaken, and you may find it harder to do things that you could easily do when you were younger. However, there are certain habits that can make you look and feel much older than your chronological age. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80 and want to know how to live your best life, then keep watching for 10 habits that make you look older. Number 1. Eating too many processed foods. When you eat processed foods, your body doesn't get the nutrition it needs. This can lead to inflammation, which causes accelerated aging. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that eating more processed meat increases the risk of developing dementia, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. People who ate more unprocessed meat had a lower risk of developing these conditions. So if you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to avoid processed foods as much as possible. Instead, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. These foods will give your body the nutrition it needs to stay healthy and strong as you age. Number 2. Not getting enough exercise. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it is important to stay active. As we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass and strength. However, by staying active, you can help maintain your muscle mass and strength, which will help you look and feel younger. According to a study conducted at the University of Texas, regular exercise can help seniors maintain their balance and coordination, which reduces the risk of falls. Exercise also boosts your immune system, which helps you ward off illness and infections. Additionally, exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function in older adults. So if you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Some examples of moderate intensity exercises include brisk walking, cycling, and swimming. Number 3. Smoking or binge drinking alcohol. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, you should avoid smoking or binge drinking alcohol. Both smoking and binge drinking can cause serious health problems such as heart disease, stroke, and dementia. Additionally, both smoking and binge drinking can make you look older than your years. Smoking causes wrinkles and age spots, while binge drinking can cause your skin to sag and become puffy. So if you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to avoid these bad habits. Instead, focus on taking care of your body by eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. These things will help you look and feel your best as you age. Number 4. Not getting enough sleep. As we get older, we tend to get less sleep. However, not getting enough sleep can cause us to look and feel older. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies produce more of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can cause our skin to sag and our eyes to appear sunken. Additionally, lack of sleep can cause us to gain weight, which can also make us look older. So if you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. There are several things you can do to ensure you get enough sleep. Try to establish a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. This will help your body's internal clock regulate better. Also, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. These substances can interfere with your sleep cycle and prevent you from getting a restful night's sleep. Number 5. Not staying hydrated. When we don't stay hydrated, our bodies begin to dehydrate. This can cause our skin to sag and our eyes to appear sunken. Additionally, dehydration can cause us to feel fatigued and weak, which makes us look older. So if you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. The amount of fluid you need to drink each day depends on several factors, including your activity level and the climate. However, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses of water per day. You can also get fluids from other sources, such as fruits and vegetables. Just be sure to avoid sugary drinks, as this can cause weight gain and make you look older. Number 6. Ignoring your skin. As we age, our skin begins to sag and wrinkle. This is due to a loss of elasticity in the skin. However, there are things we can do to help improve the appearance of our skin. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to use sunscreen regularly. Sunscreen helps protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, which can cause skin cancer and accelerate the aging process. Additionally, sunscreen can help prevent age spots from forming. Another thing you can do to improve the appearance of your skin is to eat a healthy diet. Eating foods rich in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage. So, by eating a diet rich in antioxidants, you can help neutralize free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. Number 7. Not taking care of your teeth. As we get older, our teeth begin to yellow and our gums begin to recede. This is due to a buildup of plaque and tartar on our teeth. However, we can take steps to prevent this from happening. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to brush your teeth twice a day and floss daily. Brushing your teeth helps remove plaque and tartar, while flossing helps remove food particles that brushing alone cannot reach. Additionally, you should visit your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. During a dental checkup, your dentist will examine your teeth and gums to look for any signs of trouble. They will also clean your teeth and provide you with tips on how to better care for your teeth and gums. By taking good care of your teeth, you can help keep them looking white and healthy as you age. Number 8. Having a poor diet. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to eat a healthy diet. A poor diet can cause weight gain, which can make you look older. Additionally, a poor diet can cause various health problems, such as heart disease, stroke, and dementia. So if you want to look and feel your best as you age, you must focus on eating a healthy diet. What is a healthy diet? A healthy diet is one that is rich in nutrients and low in calories. Nutrient-dense foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without adding excess calories. On the other hand, calorie-dense foods are high in calories but low in nutrients. These foods include processed meats, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods can cause weight gain and other health problems. Number 9. Being inactive. As we get older, we naturally become less active. This is due to a loss of muscle mass and strength. However, being inactive can cause us to look and feel older. When we are inactive, our bodies produce more of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can cause our skin to sag and our eyes to appear sunken. Additionally, inactivity can cause us to gain weight, which can also make us look older. So if you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it's important to stay active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Some examples of moderate intensity exercises include brisk walking, cycling, and swimming. Number 10. Not getting regular checkups. As we age, it is important to get regular checkups. This is because certain health conditions that may not have been a problem in our younger years can become a problem as we age. For example, high blood pressure and diabetes can cause serious health problems such as heart disease, stroke, and dementia. Additionally, some diseases such as cancer can be more difficult to treat once they progress. Therefore, it is important to catch any potential health problems early through regular checkups. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, it is important to see your doctor for a checkup at least once a year. During a checkup, your doctor will examine you and ask about your medical history. They will also perform tests such as checking your blood pressure and testing your urine. Based on your individual needs, your doctor may recommend additional tests such as a mammogram or colonoscopy. By getting regular checkups, you can help catch any potential health problems early and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned a thing or two about habits that make you look older. If you are between the ages of 65 and 80, remember to take care of yourself and avoid the habits mentioned in this video. Stay active, eat healthy foods, and get regular checkups. These are just a few simple things you can do to improve your overall health and well-being as you age. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.